Before I don't come.
Okay.
So what's happening? Why is it taking you long to finish one sand?
Okay, we do am now, small now. We don't be this thing now. We don't be machine.
See, more sand is coming now, but call the tipper people to bring more sand. You are just not. What's happening?
Okay, don't worry. We'll finish am.
No verse. We go finish am.
You need more people?
No.
No. If you go bring, I bet you don't go short my money.
Be fast. No. People are working like woman. Just be fast, please. Yeah?
No problem, Oga. Oga, no problem. No, we go run am.
Just be fast, eh?
No problem.
Somebody family come here.
No.
No girl come here, family.
No girl, no.
Mama. Ewo. Maru God.
Ifo. Kedu one? Papa no pan. No.
Thank you. Mama, this one you're with the machete.
What is it? Mom, I just want to cut some firewood. That I'll use in cooking.
Mama. Mama, but you know your health condition. You're not allowed to do such hard work. You can always send for me. Even if I'm not around, just send somebody to call me.
I know. You don't expect me to just sit at home and expect my son who went to the site to work. When he comes back now, he bring money for food. I'll still tell him to go and cut firewood and go and cook. Eh?
Mama, give me, I can do it. You know me, I know.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, Mama, go inside.
I'm not an invalid. I'm going with you. They did not say I should not walk around. Thank you.
Welcome, Baba.
So how do you feel now?
I'm weak, I'm weak. I don't know how I feel. I'm so weak. You know this plantain that is overripe. You know, you to just sweet that. That's how I feel. I even went to the chemist to get some drugs for myself.
You have to stop. You can't keep up with this self-medication now. See, you need to see a doctor. You have to go to hospital, okay?
Which hospital? With which money now? I don't have money.
But I sent you 30,000 last week.
Amy, the 30,000 naira, I don't know. You are talking as if you don't know the current situation of this country. The country is bad. I've spent a lot of money, I've spent a lot of money doing different tests and all that. And you know I'm the only one carrying the load in my family. My sister is not working. I would just say my sister is useless. Not like she's useless, but she doesn't have anything she's doing. So everything, all the burden is on me. That's why.
I'm sorry, it's okay. I will send you 40,000 right away. Let me know when you are done. Sorry, babe. I have to go now.
Oh, okay, baby, honey. Thank you, my love.
I love you.
I love you. I love you so much. Mwah. Bye.
Hey!
Fatty! How are you?
Only Chika, you have pity on yourself. Eh? Must you always lie? Hey! Must you? I mean, this guy loves you so much. And you can get money from him without telling lies.
You are talking as if you are the one dating him. Me that is inside this shoe, I am telling you that Emeka is too stingy. Akagom. If it means for me to be lying to him for collect money, I will continue to lie to eternity.
But that's very wrong now. Eh? What if you eventually fall sick, Inko?
No, you are the one that want to bring the sickness for me now. You are the one that want to go and bring the trailer load of sickness and come and put in my body. Look at you that you are talking. What of the politicians of this our country? When they want to do election, they will be the one to be telling you, oh, vote me, I will do this for you. If I don't do it, I will die. After election, winning the election, they will drop all of us. They did not die. And they are still alive, living today. They are not expecting me to die because of small lie that I lie. Small sin like this.
But there are...
Please, I am begging you. Please avoid me, Mommy Gio. Preacher of love. I am not a preacher of love. If you are a preacher of love, I am not a preacher of love. Allow me to lie my lie in peace and not in pieces. This is my hustle and it's paying me off. That is it. Allah has entered for the this thing. Hey, I will never leave this business. Hustle must pay. Shh. I want to come in. Hello, baby. Yeah, thank you very much. I just received the alert. Yes, my sister now, she wants to take me to the hospital. Eh? You want to talk to my sister? No, she went to bring her slippers. Okay. I will send your regards. Bye.
Hey!
He wanted to talk to you. Come on!
Jesus Christ.
I don't please. You are going to work. Go in peace. I buy me banana and granite if you are coming back. Banana and granite. Very soon you are supposed to go to Mount Zion and start being a pastor or marry a pastor. We will know that. Never mind that shit.
Pass. What is it?
Brother, it's Mama.
Mama?
I went to the house and I saw her lying unconscious on the floor. Please, you have to come.
Are you sure? Are you sure?
Please, come.
Yeah, I'm coming. My mother. My mother. Oh. Mama, I'm here. Mama, I'm here, okay? Mama!
Take her to the hospital, please.
There is no money. I don't have any money on me. Let's call the chemist man. Do you know chemist Tambo?
Which chemist? Let's take her to the hospital. Let me go and get Keke, please.
What about the money?
We'll sort it out when we get there.
Mama,
Because...
Mama, don't do this. Mama. Big boy. Okay, engineer.
It's not like I don't understand, but what I can cough out right now is 10,000. Anything beyond that is not possible.
Okay, engineer Bikono, I'm begging you. Let me tell you something. I will pay back the money. Anytime I work for you, just deduct the money. And you know me, trust me now. You know my house. Yes, if I work, you deduct the money, please now. Bikono, I need this money. I need to take. Yes, I need to bury my mother in the hospital, please. Bikono.
See, Dubem, I even accepted to do this because it's you and how diligent you are to work. To some people, I will not. You have to manage me, my brother.
Chere, hold on, please, don't cut. It's okay. Okay, I will manage the 10,000. Just tell me where I will come and collect it. Or should I send you my account number?
You know my usual spot. I've been wanting Boss Barbie.
Why you goes back? Okay, I'm coming there now. No, please, I'm coming.
Don't know somebody's son.
I better come down.
I really want to stay, but because of his sister, I just have to go. Yeah?
It's okay, be going. You have done your own work.
When are we seeing again now?
Maybe next time. You know that my holy wager sister, she's not around. You understand? That's why I allowed you to do in the house like this. So I will come to her normal place.
Okay. Till then now.
No problem. Come. It's not just something.
Let me buy you something.
I'll see whether you want to go like that, because I know you forgot.
After all these tests.
No, just give me all of them. I thought you wanted to count it. Let me say you don't need to.
Alright. Alright, I'll see you then. Yeah? It's enough for you now. Take care, yeah? Bye.
Ekene?
Onya!
Ekene, they have to go.
Now.
What is the problem? My mother just collapsed. My mother.
How?
Where and how? When?
Achogodimoku, too much talk now. The truth is this, I don't have any money on me and they refused to treat her. They said I need to deposit 30,000 naira before they could do that.
30,000.
I don't even know what to do. I called my site engineer. I borrowed 10,000 from him. I don't have completion, 20,000 naira.
So, because of 20,000, you mean they've not started treating Mama?
Yes.
Because of 20,000 naira?
If you can help me, because I will pay back. I promise you I will pay back.
Just be here. Don't sell anything because you don't know the price. I'm coming. Let me go and get the money for you now.
Okay,
POS.
POS.
Yes.
Okay, Biko. Hi.
This is the money.
So how much is it?
35,000.
Why 35,000 now? You promised you will give me 55,000. So how am I supposed to complete the money now? And the event is taking place next week.
Baby, I know. I understand that the event is for next week. But still, let me tell you. By next week, I will complete the money for you. Yeah, I promise.
It's better. It's better than raising my hopes up. Because I've already told the head that I'm coming today to collect it.
No, Allah.
So next week.
No, just because of I am supposed to pay my workers this weekend. Yeah? If not, I would have completed it. See what will happen. This weekend I'll complete it for you, yeah?
Are you sure?
Baby.
Are you sure? This weekend.
Don't you trust
this
me
weekend,
anymore? Don't you trust me anymore?
Okay, no problem.
Come on. Come here.
No kiss. Just hug.
Okay, come. Let's go. Hey, baby, bro.
Next week.
Next
week, don't forget.
Next week. My money will finish here. Hey! Hey!
Biolichi, what are your dirty clothes doing here in the sitting room?
They are not dirty clothes. I'm tired of them. They are already old. I want to go and burn them with matches and kerosene outside.
Well, that's not fair now. These clothes are still good. At least you can give them out. See, liar, there are people who do not even have this kind of clothes as their best. At least you can reach out to them instead of burning them now.
Hey, clap for yourself. United Nations. So you want me to carry Ogene and go around the village and start knocking Ogene? Oh, you people should come and busy sharing clothes that are dirty and used, old. I want to share to you people. Come, I don't have that kind of time. And you know me, I don't have friends to dash this kind of clothes. Even the friends that I have, the small ones that I have, they cannot wear this kind of clothes. It's okreka. I have leveled up. You need to level up too.
It's okay, don't burn them. At least I know people that will definitely need them.
Oh yeah, no problem. I don't want to see it anywhere around this house. I don't want to see it. Makisu kwa yoko.
Yes, ma'am.
Hey, Chiwe, come now. Come, please.
What is our almost stuff? And your other sister. What is it?
Chiwe, please. I need this foreign zip for my jeans skirt. I want to use it on one of my skirts. Foreign zip, please get it for me. Oh, I will do it myself. Just give me the foreign zip.
I'm sorry. I've not gone to the market. So I don't have it.
You sorry, you not go to the market. You don't have it. I know you. Tell her dua. I told her many times, come let me level you up. She said no, that she wants to be wearing maternity gown and make her own wage. I don't know what is wrong with this, my sister. Come on, let me show you the way. She will say no. Hey, tailoring shop. Check and bet tailor. Come on, foreign zip. Chinwe does not have in a shop. Hey, this is beautiful. Did I say it's beautiful? This is disgraceful. How is Mama?
My brother, Mama is getting better. Ma, it's fine. Yeah. The doctor said that she might even be discharged today.
Oh, thank God.
Oh, yes.
Thank God. Yeah? I just wish Mama would stop thinking about your brother for the sake of her baby. Yeah?
I've tried my best. There is nothing I've not told my mother to calm down because of her baby. But Mama no dey hear. I've told her, Momsy, calm down because you have high blood pressure. Anything can happen at any time. But she doesn't want to hear. I don't tire now. What will I do? I don't tire.
It is well. Well, I will not blame her considering the way your brother left both of you, and I think she's doing the right thing. But she should at least believe in you. Your presence alone is supposed to give her hope.
Now, let me tell you something. We might be here talking about my brother. Oh no, I told her to calm down because he might even be in the prison. Who knows? God forbid, I'm not praying bad, but I'm just telling you because each work are easy. If I am mad easy, it was say man, oh na street happy bugging a phone. Oh, I console. But I told her to calm down. She said, I'm suffering too much. I'm the only one. I'm the pillar in the family. I'm the only one catering for the family. I'm the only one doing this. I told her, yes, it's my responsibility as her son to take care of her. Oh, I don't tire. I'm not going to kill myself.
Mothers will always be mothers. Anyway, the only thing you have to do is to keep on assuring her that everything will be fine. I mean, soonest things will come back to normal.
I hope so. Because if I'm not allowed to raise you, this life hard, well. Then no more. Fine boy in a village in Eleka.
It's my brother. I should get one more gala for you. Are you okay with one?
I will take one with you. You're causing more no. I'm choosing no way cause wedding, Are you mocking me?
Just feel free. Let me get one more for you. You are not paying.
I know. Come on, that. Chereka can touch and can feed. Cannot take on with you. Now what do you want? Hey.
Hello. Hello.
Yeah, welcome.
Thank you.
What do you want?
Give me mineral and indomie, bread and egg.
Okay. Is it which one? Which brand of bread?
Fanta.
You said indomie, egg, and I have open now.
No, don't worry, I've already opened it.
Okay. Indomie,
bread and egg.
Okay.
Woo!
Okay. Everything is 1,300. Sorry.
You are a very cute boy.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Okay, I'll bring your bottle later. This is the money for the mineral because I've opened it. Okay. I'll come later in the evening to give you money for this one. Bye.
Come. Huh? Yeah? I should take this one for the mineral.
Yes.
And allow you go with my bottle and here 1,300. Yes. How?
I'll bring it back in the
Hold on. Can you read this thing?
No credit till they come tomorrow.
It has been here since. So if you know what is good for you, go I
just told you that I'll bring the money later in the evening.
Don't be you go to me back. Go back to your house in the evening when you have the money. You come and take this thing. And hey, let me tell you, don't even step on it. Drink this thing and give me my bottle.
You see why I don't like dealing with local champions in the village?
Local
people, I don't like dealing with them. Your mates are in Alaba bringing big containers. You are here selling rubbish things and making mouth. Because of common, how much?
Thank
you. Do you know how much I'm worth?
Thank you.
Do you know how much?
Don't be offended. Oh, Queen Eliza, you are in this way parading yourself, buying things on credit. Because when I bought to me, come on, watch it together.
You will not shock me.
Be fast about it. I will bring waterproof so that I pour
Bring the waterproof. Bring the waterproof. I don't blame you. Very useless person. Look at where you put my drink. That is how God will put your drink inside my mouth.
Yes, Queen Eliza. Come and buy something worth of 1,300 naira. Give me 150. Check it, you're not going to get one.
You're not serious, are you? Eh? You're not serious. Tell me you're not serious.
Why will I even joke with a thing like this? I am telling you that girl insulted me in my own show. In fact, she should go and thank her stars. I was in my good mood. If not, on 1 year once, nothing will happen.
Hi. Okay, they know now. You wouldn't have do. You know you told the EJ. Don't you understand it? Eh? You would have given that girl a soft landing because you are my friend. From there, I will enter, I will penetrate. Eh? Why will you do such a thing?
You want to have a soft landing at my own detriment? No, I'm asking you now, two of you. You want to have a soft landing? Credit, soft landing. Who cares the way you landed, both of you? Is it my business?
I don't like this, Ekena. I don't like this at all. I don't like, I've been asking this girl out. What you would have done is this. You will tell her, okay, don't worry. I will see to it. Just go. Anytime you have the money, you come back. Then you come to me and tell me that this girl is owing. I will find the money and pay. By the time she gets to know that I've paid, she will give me access to her. Why are you doing this now? Why did they make a mugu? I don't like this. Oh.
Can I tell you something? That girl will never accept you. You see that girl, she will never accept you if you want to dance together from now to tomorrow. She will never accept you. That girl is nothing but one sister. She's a Ezeonu. Leave that girl alone.
Okay, leave that girl alone. Stop telling me what to do. I'm an adult. Stop telling me what to do. That you are my friend who shouldn't, that will not give you the right to talk to me the way you want. I don't like this. If all go mugu, you just go my information. I'm going to give you accepted. Accepted. The more you can only has him this thing, has it here? I wouldn't mind. I will go and look for money and pay. And when I pay, she will accept me. I love that girl. I love that girl. Hear it. I love the girl and I want her.
I know. You are right, I'm wrong. But let me still tell you, that girl will never accept you. She's not your type of person. Leave that girl alone. She will destroy you in this village.
And let me still tell you too, again. Stop telling me what to do. I'm an adult. I know what is right for me. I know what I want. I want the girl. I like her. I will go for her.
Okay, there's no problem. Why are we even discussing this girl as if it's an important topic? Can you just go home and take care of Mama? Let me attend to other things that are important.
I like Romy female. I'm not happy. I won't tell you. I won't lie to you. I don't like this. So you're no longer my friend now that will help me and achieve something. Okay? I love that girl. Help me and achieve it. If let me tell you, let me send it as a one. Anytime she comes to your shop and buys something on credit, bring it to me. I will find a way. Already call 5 days, 7 days. I will do it and get the money.
Okay, for us to make it very simple, I want to deposit some money to me. So anytime she comes, whatever thing she's taking, I'll be minusing.
Deposit which money? Oh yeah, now what?
Oh no, chill him.
To them no get money, oh. But he wanted it, yeah. Watch a chapu below somebody.
What kind of life is this? Eh? Why has my only sister refused to live uprightly? Each day, one bad news to the other. Learn sewing from me here. She refused. She can't bring herself to be a tailor. Okay, one. Learn hairdressing since she loves making hair. No. What exactly does she want to do with her life? Nothing.
Rather, she prefers jumping from one man to another and bringing shame to our family. How else should I train this girl? Eh? How long is she going to continue like this? I am now a laughing stock in this village, all because of her. What went wrong? Is it because mother and father got separated and mother raised us alone? But look at me. I am nowhere like her. Something definitely has to be done about this. Else, we may wake up one day to hear the worst.
I'll pay you this money next week. Just give me a little time. Next week, I'll pay you. Ezeonu.
Next week? Your next week that never finishes. Mama Dube, if you allow me enter inside that house, you will not like what I'll carry you.
What are you know inside though? You won't even see anything to go. Hey. But I'll give it to you.
Mama Dube, is it a crime to help somebody that is in need?
No. No. I'll pay you, Biko.
I'm not living here without that money. You must give me that money today. I'm not living here without that money. You have 2 grown sons and you're still begging and borrowing up and down. Can't they help you? Yeah, I want my money. Yeah, I want my money.
What's going on?
Oh, I told you now. Why do you want to embarrass me?
Madam Ojugo, what is the problem?
So you didn't tell them? Your mother is owing me. She has been owing me for the past 4 months now. She keeps lying and begging. I'm tired. I need my money, please.
I'm sorry about it, okay? Please, how much is it?
Just 9,000 naira.
Yes, 6,000 naira. I'll complete the balance tomorrow, okay? Okay.
I know the reason I'm collecting this one. It's because you're a young, nice man, and you act matured. But please, don't fail me tomorrow.
Okay, I will not fail you. I am the one owing you now, okay? Please do not disturb my mother again. Did you hear what I said? It's fine. Let's go inside.
No, see, we just have 1,000 left after all the suffering we've been suffering since morning.
You can now understand. But as you can see, this is important. Do you want her to embarrass our mother?
I know, but we would...
Please, calm down. It's Mama that we are talking about here. She's our mother. It's our responsibility to take care of her bills, right? Don't worry, we'll work tomorrow. We are men. We'll make more money tomorrow. Okay? Let's go in. Mama, 1,000 for Zuri. Mama, I got you 1,000. Go tell her. If you book, show her. Why will you book? Ekena. Ekena, but I have to take it easy. Yeah? You have to calm down. Calm down, things will get better. I am sure things will get better.
Dubim, it's not like I don't understand. I do. But my anger is, for how long are we going to continue like this? We work hard, day and night. We work like elephants and we feed like ants.
I know. But it will surely get better.
When we're all dead? I know Mama borrowed this money when I was sick to offset my hospital bills. But for how long will this keep going on? I'm tired of this type of life. I'm tired.
My brother, we're not going to question God. Okay? He is the one that created us. He knows the best for us. I am sure He has a plan for us. Okay? Everything will be fine. All we have to do is to work hard every day, try our best, and leave it on to Him to deliver. I am positive. Things will surely get better. I don't know about you. All I know is that Adinma someday. Hence, we should be trying our best. Okay? Please, let's go inside and eat because I wanted to eat alone. My name is I said no. If I eat alone, I might finish the food. We don't even have much. Mom, because let's go and eat. You want to join me? You're tired, you want to go and eat too. What if let's go and eat. What happened now? I waited for you at the farm. You didn't show up. What happened?
Sorry about that. But I brought good news.
What is it?
Brother, do you remember that's my classmate, secondary school classmate, Amechi, that traveled abroad in our JS3? He's back. You need to see, he's now a big boy. He has money. And he said he has just 3 weeks to be in Nigeria. That he can even help me and travel if I'm interested. Hey! Is this not good news?
Hold on first. That he will help you and travel Obodo Ibo.
I swear.
Are you for real?
Brother, I would do everything possible to travel outside. Me!
I'm so happy for you, brother.
Thank you, my brother. Thank you.
What we will do now, we have to pray about it. You know it's not easy. You understand that he will not promise and fail. You get it? Yeah. Then I want to go and freshen up. We will tell Mama.
Yes.
Once Mama comes back, we'll tell her. I'm sure that she will be happy.
Yes, now. Who wouldn't be happy?
We're going to pray. Hey. If you reach there, Emma, what's up? Wait,
let me go.
750,000 what?
Naira. That is what he asked me to raise. While he helps with the remaining funds. We don't expect him to do everything. At least I have to show seriousness and commitment. I know that once I travel out, I will wipe our tears.
We know. But the problem with Ghana is too much. We don't have it.
Exactly. 750,000
Ulrika!
In a short period of time. Let me tell you, even in 6 months, where do we get the money from?
Also, 1 year.
1 year. We don't have it, brother. We don't have it.
Mama, this is a lifetime opportunity. Brother, if I miss this opportunity, I'm not sure I will survive.
Relax. I know. I know it's a lifetime opportunity, but we serve a living God. Our
Yes,
God
so.
will provide for us. He will make another way. We don't have 750,000 naira.
Hey.
We don't have it. Where do we get it? From the menial jobs that we do? Eh? We don't have it. We don't have it. Or whatever gets Diego.
Never.
We don't have it, brother. I'm sorry.
What of our land at Onueke? If we sell it, we would raise 1 million naira or more. And the land is by the roadside, so we would sell it at a high price.
What? When they okay? I said, shut up! What are you talking about? Our only inheritance? Eh? Our only family land, you want to sell it? Mama, what about you? You want to sell our only father, the land our father left for us? Eh? Because please, please.
Brother, but
there is no but here. There is no but. Because we're not going to sell our only land. The only land that we farm on. Eh? What are you talking about? That land is what we use as a supplement to the menial jobs that we do. How much do we make from the menial jobs that doesn't even come every day? And they want us to sell the land? Eh? Then also no way because this your waka with the issue. Maybe the visa, God forbid, the visa didn't work or something like that. Then I about no. We're not going to sell that land, please. Now. We're not going to sell it, period.
Brother, I am sure I'm going to make it once I travel. I will even buy 2 lands, one for you and one for me.
I don't need it. I go to them. No, I don't need it, because I don't need it. So I could also call, please. I am not part of this. We're not going to sell that land, and that is final. Mama, but we're not going to sell this land. We're not going to sell it. Mama? We're not going to sell this land because I'm out of here.
Please. Please help me and beg, brother Dubin. This is a lifetime opportunity. I can't afford to miss it. If I travel out, I will get money and I will help our family.
Food is ready. Come and eat.
Mama, I'm not hungry.
Ekena.
Mama, please. Food is not my problem. Let me be.
Do you want to starve yourself to death? Eh? For some days now you've not eaten. Nekwa Ekena, I know we have a problem at hand. Mama, come and eat. We'll sort everything out by the grace of God. Biwakwa?
Ma, if I miss this opportunity, if I miss this golden opportunity, I will never be happy in this life again.
My son.
Mama.
Biko, consider the request. Oh, Biko. I know it is not easy, but look at it this way. I believe that when he goes out there and makes it, it is still for the best of our family. It's in our best interest. Eh? Nah, Biko, no. As you can see, that boy, he's going down. He's not eating again. Eh? All he does is cry and wallow in pain. Check Ekena, let us help him, Biko.
Mama, you're funny. Oh? Okay, all he does is cry and wallow in pain. Okay, so we're eh? Is that the reason he didn't even say anything the very time he mentioned it, right?
I didn't know what to say. Oh.
He didn't know what to say.
Makanina
support Unwagi. Makanina support Unwagi Woke. Eh? I don't understand it.
Are you not my son?
I am your son, but I don't understand. Our only family land. You are supporting him to sell it. Mama, eh?
If that boy falls sick now, try and understand him.
Mama, it's not nice. It's not right. That land is the only land we survive with. in this community, in this village. What if something goes wrong and at the end of the day, a teacher hire? Eh? What will happen?
Hey, the God Almighty I serve will never allow such a thing to be our portion.
Because not going to get visa. You are the consoler. Not a visa. Mama, I do not understand what you're talking about. What I'm saying is, it's not right. It's not right.
Nah, I know it is a big sacrifice. Mano ko de no mano. Biko Ezeonu. Biko.
It's fine. I've heard what you said. You really love your son and you want the best for him.
I want the best for you too.
Yeah, I know.
I love you too much too.
I know. It's right. It's good. We will sell our only family land so that he will travel abroad and enjoy himself while we wallow here in poverty without anything. At the end of the day, if anything goes wrong, then we are left with nothing. It's fine, I've heard what you said. No problem. But my answer is no. I am not going to do it. I can't. He's not going to sell that land.
Suffering one kill us, guinea guy gemel. Are we born to suffer? Chimo come to our aid. Who will help us? Mama, who will help your children? Who will help us? Mama, who will help your children? We are dying in pains. We are dying in sorrow. Afufe bukwanyi onene. Afufe bukwanyi onene.
This is a tough decision for me to make. But I made this decision because I want the best for this family. I want the best for you as my brother. I love you as a brother and I would do anything to make you happy. You are begged and the mama too. So after putting several things into consideration, I decided to sell the land. I only land, I sold it. Here is the money I got from selling the land. 800,000.
Hey.
I want you to use it for the...
Thank you so much. I promise I am not going to fail us. Thank you.
It's fine.
No, thank you.
It's fine.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you.
I did it for us. Biko. Who check it there? Biko. At least when you get there, try and hustle. Try and make money. Oh, what do you buy it on? Biko.
Very important.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
It's fine. All the best, bro.
Thank you.
All the best, bro.
Thank you.
All the best.
That's all.
Hey, I go.
I read what you said.
I will miss you.
You have heard everything we told you, where?
Yes, Mama.
Ekugom. your brother Ugo, and I'm sure you heard everything. No evil shall see you.
Amen.
Your leg will never lead you to where there is evil.
Amen.
You will go in peace and come back in peace.
Amen.
Even if they say that land is not fertile, as you step your feet into that place, the land will become fertile in Jesus' name.
Amen.
God will cause men and women to favor you.
Amen.
In Jesus' name.
Amen.
Remember where you're coming from. Oh?
Yes, Mommy.
God will surely bless you.
Amen.
For me, I don't have much to say. You're a man. You know what is right and what is wrong. I will only advise you to do what is right. Don't go there. Don't go there. And oh yes, I don't know, Mama. I don't know. But he knows what I'm talking about, Oga. Do the right thing. I don't want you to end in prison, please.
God forbid.
God forbid, though.
Please.
Mama, I'll call you once we arrive. Oh, I have to go now. I don't want to keep Amechi waiting.
Mama.
Okay, Mama. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Okwu a ijipụ ka iji abata. Mana ụbịam ijipụ abụrụ ụbịam ihe ebunata. Ihe ebunatala anyị ike n'aha Jizọs. Jee nke ọma.
Ekena, my son,
where are you? Big word. This number is not even connecting.
Hey!
This line is not connecting. I don't know what is going on. I don't know what is going on that he will forget us for almost, this is 7 months now. 7 months, almost 7 months. And yet he is connected from every communication with us. Someone we suffered, we sold our only land and sent him abroad. You have seen it now. You have seen it. I told you this, Mama Gwangia. I told you. But you wouldn't listen. Now see it. I hope it's not what I'm thinking.
What are you thinking?
Influence, Mama. Abroad has a way of influencing people. When you get there, if you are not careful, you get carried away. And at the end of the day, you might get married to a white woman that will tell you not to remember your people and all that. And I'm sure that is what Ekena is doing there.
No.
Oh, we're going on our kelkwe there now.
The Ekena I know will not forget us. No, he cannot. Huh?
Mama.
He loves his family so much.
Mama, you always have a way of assuming things all the time. You assume things all the time. Let me tell you something. Environment and time has a way of changing people. Did you get it? I am sure. Oh no, na kuli no bodo yibo chefuwa here. Oh no, na kuli. Now you have seen it now. We sold our only land and sent him abroad. Now we have lost him. We have lost every communication with him, and we have even lost our only land. I told you this, and I say, God will do this one, God will not do this one. Now call your God to bring our only land back.
Don't blaspheme!
I'm not blaspheming, Mama. I'm not blaspheming. But I don't like it. We sold our only land now. And it's my inheritance at the job. All my inheritance. You confuse them. Mentally, no wahala. But don't make what is happening now. Mama, what is it? Mama, don't do this. Don't do this, Mama. Mama, who is there? Mama.
How is she faring now?
My brother, she's okay. The chemist guy said it's BP. The BP is very high. Yes, and I know what was the cause. It's because of my brother Ekena that left us and went abroad without any communication. He abandoned all of us here. I don't know what happened to him. No communication, no calls, nothing. You know women now, she would think about her son. Our hope was that he would go there and make money and help us. Yet nothing. All to no avail.
Do you know you are the one I am having problem with now? I don't even have any problem with your mother. You are the one causing the problem now. I have told you times with numbers to forget about your brother. Forget about Ekena. I'm not saying you should forget about him being your brother, but forget about the fact that you sent him abroad and he has not returned. I want you to forget about the fact that you sold your only piece of land to send him abroad and he has never paid you back or even come back home. Let me tell you, there is always a life without your brother. You will survive. Okay, let's take for instance he's no more. Are you not going to move on? Are you not going to survive without him? Take all those things behind you and move on. And allow your mother to do same. If not, there will be problem.
My brother, it's not easy. It's not easy at all. It's not easy at all. We sold our only land with the hope that when he gets there, things will get better. Then he will remember us. We banked on him. We hoped that he will come back and at least help me now. Send money for my mother's treatment and all that. Yet, he went there and trashed all our hopes. Can't you see it?
You are right. But let me ask you something. Now that the help is not forthcoming from him, do you want to hang yourself?
No.
No, are you going to hang yourself because your brother abandoned you and your mother? Can't you cut a rope?
No. Like you said, life goes on.
Life goes on. We move.
I'll go with that mindset. Life goes on.
Better. That is the spirit. Let's go somewhere so that we will take one lager. So that you forget your sorrow. We'll move on. Oh.
Every time we take bottle, take this one, take the other one. Come on. Take them easy now. I can leave them.
I just want you to calm down. Oh?
Life goes on, like you said.
Life
goes on. Life goes on.
We cannot come and kill ourselves because somebody that traveled abroad refused to call us. We've been meeting before the meeting.
Mama Kayaga, why are you calling Ekena? Ekena? Stop calling Ekena. I am here. I am the one taking care of you. Ekena is in America. Go to America and get him, Mama. What is all this now? Am I not trying my best? Please stop mentioning that name here. Let's forget about Ekena. Since he chose to forget us all, he did not even care what we suffered to send him there. Let him be there and forget. I will forget him. Mama, no go because. I try to keep Ekena about because. Because all go get. I'm be mana.
Will he come back?
Mama, go down go. I don't know if he's coming or not. No go. He's not coming back. He's not coming back. Let's deal with it. He's not coming back. Why will he not call any of us on phone? We don't even care. If you like, you should die there, Mama. Because you can't go too much. No go because. No go. Even more an injectele. You want an and you be nam can jetele. Mama, they go no go. Good morning.
Morning.
This one here, I hope all is well.
No problem. You're ready to go to work?
Oh yes, I need to report on time.
Hey, let me go and warm the soup.
No, you're not working so good. I'll eat when I get to work. You know? You can check food. And here is 2,000 naira.
Okay.
Oh yes, use it in case I didn't come back on time. Use it and prepare something for yourself. You know?
God bless you,
Mama.
my son.
Please cook and eat. I didn't say think. I said cook and eat.
I will not think.
Don't think, please.
Oh, thank you very much.
Let me continue.
I wish that our land was still around. I would have still be.
Mama, please, Pico. Mama, Pico, no. We are in the present now. We are not talking about the past. I told you, let's forget about the past. Okay? We are in the present and we will still have future. Pico. Or anything. I am here. I'll fight. I will make money and I will take care of you. Forget about land. Forget about the past. Forget about who is in America. Whatever thing. Just forget about it. Pico, can you call
Okay. Thank you. God bless you, Oma. Mama, no bye bye, Ona. I'm fine.
Somebody help me! Somebody help me! Hold on! You are... Somebody help me! Somebody help me! Somebody help me!
Stop! Hey, stop! I say you should stop. Can you stop? Can you stop? Can you stop? Hey! Stop it!
Leave me alone! Leave me alone! Who invited you into this matter now? Who invited you inside this matter? See somebody that I want to bruise her face.
Hey.
You just came to spoil my matter.
Can you calm down? Stop it, please. Whatever she has done, I'm sure she has received enough beating from you. Can you stop it?
Who invited you? National Crusader, who invited you? Showstopper, who invited you? You came here to come and spoil things like my sister. Wicked people.
Can I tell you something? You're too beautiful to be seen doing this, right? Okay? You don't need to do that.
I don't even know who invited you inside here. I don't even know. Respect yourself for letting me not change it for you. Else I will just deal with you like I did deal with this guy. You made me not be this.
Hey, like I said you're too beautiful. I'm meaning to talk to you. I like you. And I would love to get to know you better. Okay? Stop doing this.
If it's not one thing that you are taller than me, you are up and down, I would have used the slippers to mark your face.
Hey, can I talk to you? Hold on a minute, please. I said, hey! Hold on, please. Stop. Hey, stop. Stop. Okay, now what is it now?
Oh my goodness.
This is not a laughing matter. I told you what I went through. I told you how she embarrassed me. This is not a laughing matter. I'm telling you this and you are laughing me. Why are you laughing me?
Okay, don't want me to laugh. After listening to this your funny story. See, let me tell you, happiness is free. Allow me to laugh. Because you're not making sense. Let me ask you. I was the one that told you to leave that Jezebel of a girl. You refused. You went ahead and before following her around this village. Now you've received the insult of your life from her. You now fall back to me. You want me to advise you? Or you want me to start blowing a saxophone for you? Because she insulted you. You receive more insults.
I really love that girl. I do. She's the woman my heart yearns for. I want her to be my woman. I want her to be my girl. Can't you see? I'm in love. Can't you see?
I can see it though. And it's written all over you that you are in love. And you have the right to be in love. You have the right to love anybody you want. It's none of my business. See, let me tell you something. One day, that girl will wake up and ask you to jump into a movie 911 and you will do that. You are in love. Romeo and Juliet of our time. Congratulations in advance for being in love.
Ekene, I'm serious. Can you stop all this you're saying? I'm serious now. I want that woman. I want her. I want the girl. Tell me, how do we go about it? That's what I need from you.
If you don't have any other important discussion, let me go and check the people that are bringing bread for me. They got a bread.
Okay, I'm serious. Like I said, I'm serious. Stop doing this now. Eh? What do you suggest? How do I go about it? I really need her. I want to love her. I want her to fall for me. I want her to be my woman. I want her to be my love. Ekene, I'm talking to you.
Hi, don't disturb me.
To them who no get money, but he wants
Hello?
to meet girl.
Bring their 2 sets of bread. 2 sets. You will see me in my shop now.
Ekene, come. I'm serious. What is this now? Eh? Ekene? Ekene?
Please forgive her. I'm so sorry. I wasn't the one that called her Shawo. It was Onye that gossiped with her name, and she said she would deal with all of us. I'm so sorry. But please, tell your friends to stop gossiping and calling people names. It's not right. Oh? I've heard you, but you also need to tell your sister to stop fighting people. Tell her to stop fighting people. I will tell her that. Huh? See, I need to start going home now. Okay,
for her eyes, call of love, you better forget about the love. For her eyes, one never. For her eyes, call of love, no money.
Oluchi, do you want to kill someone's child? Do you think the family will let you go if you do that? Huh?
Wait, sister, you are the one talking like this. That girl is lucky, eh? She is lucky that I did not kill her. She is lucky that she finally ran away. If not, rubbish. Can you imagine? They are gossiping with me in this village. They say me, your darling sister, your beautiful sister. They say that I'm an Ashawo in this village. That girl don't have respect, sister. The God that saved her is that I just allowed her to go. She ran away. If not, I would have beaten her yet in Pakropan. Like, I could beat her black and blue. Rubbish.
Oluchi, I am warning you. I am warning you, Oluchi.
Sister, if not that you are my sister, I would have said that you are mad. I would have insulted you. I would have just stood. In short, I'm disappointed. People's sister, when someone insults them, they come together like one big force to fight those people. But in my own turn, if they come to report to my sister will turn against me and start fighting me. Sister, I'm disappointed. See, if it's not that you're my sister, what I would have done to you or what I would have said to you, you will not like it. What? But let me keep my mouth shut.
What will you do? What will you do? If you have been responsible, will anyone address you like that? Will anyone call you a Shawo?
Sister, the Ashi is my body. Now my body, I think they do this thing, not be their body. So they should stop disturbing me. People in this village should learn how to mind their business. They should mind their business, it's not their body. Every time shiri will just be hungry in all of them. They should leave me alone. I've not started though. They don't do anything. As I am like this, sister, I am no man's business. I used to mind my business. It's not me that said I should be beautiful. It's God that made me to be beautiful. Because they don't have shape, they are shapeless. They are jealousy me. I don't even know what I'm even doing here discussing with you. I'm just busy wasting all my time.
Sure. Oh. Oh. Eh? What kind of a sister is this? Kevin was here.
She is desperate for money. Anything for money, oh, she go do.
Good morning.
Good morning, Jen. You're welcome.
You know me?
Who doesn't know the hardworking and responsible Didem in this village? Mama Monica's first son.
I didn't know. That means one have to be careful because you never know who is watching. I didn't know you know me. Please, I want to see Oluchi. Is she around?
Does she know you're visiting this early?
Not really. Just that I had a dream about her last night. So I would want to share it with her. Yes.
Okay. Let me inform her then.
Okay, I'm waiting. Alright, thank you.
You're welcome.
Rubbish! Ewu! Who asked you to come to my father's house to look for me? For what? You brought your poverty-stricken self from where you came from, came to this place to come and start looking for me. For what now? This early morning. To give me bad luck? I reject you in the name of Jesus. I reject you. Rubbish.
Oluchi, that's not fair now. Why would you do this to him?
Which one is why would I do this to him? It's because it's not you. That's why. Why would you allow this kind of a person bring his dirty, stinking self to our father's house this kind of money to come and start looking for me? You self, Chinwe, respect yourself or let me not change it for you. Rubbish. See, I'm warning you, never you bring this your two left leg to this house again, else I will cut it off. Try me. I leave. Let us leave our house. Leave our house. Leave our house. Leave our house.
If you do not want him, this is not the best way to treat him now. It's not the meaning.
Look at you, Chinwe. That's not very, very angry with you. You are a woman. If you want to go and follow him in short, go and marry him. I don't care. What nonsense. You are the one that brought this bad luck to our house. You saw him coming. Instead of you to reject him, you accepted him. And even say you wanted to go and call me. If it's not that what has finished, I would have poured you your own.
People don't give one more. Oluchi.
No, I don't understand. What do you mean?
Stop.
No, what do you want me to stop?
Stop now.
I should stop what? Why don't you go home like that so that your people will see how you've reduced yourself? Why don't you go home? Let them see how you've reduced the dignity of your family. Wait, you just woke up this morning and went to that stupid girl's house just because of my dream. Again, that don't even watch your presence.
But you will not understand. You will not understand.
I know I will not understand because you failed to make me understand. Okay, let me get it clearly now. You just woke up this morning and went to that stupid girl's house. Now she has assaulted you. What then do you want me to do?
Is that all you have to say?
That is all I have to say.
Baba, let me tell you something. You are supposed to console me. You are not supposed to be doing this. You're supposed to console me.
That's wonderful. That's wonderful. You want me to console you?
Like this. I'm your friend now. You're supposed to say, oh, look, let me bring out a way out. Okay, I'm sorry for all that happened. Blah, 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 blah. Look at what you do to get her and all that.
Okay, my friend, I want you to leave my shop. What? Leave my shop. It's too early. In fact, I don't have strength for all this. Leave my shop, please. Let me concentrate.
I don't get you. Leave your shop because of what?
If you don't leave, I will leave for you. In fact, I will see you back.
For her eyes, color of love. You never forget about the love. For her eyes, one never. For her eyes, color of love. Obi le wa kwalumwa.
You've been like this all day. You didn't even go to work. What is the problem?
Mama, I think I have malaria.
Hey. Have you taken any medicine?
Yes, I've taken medication. I bought drugs from Mr. Tambo, the chemist man. I didn't want to bother you, so I had to go. I used the money I have. I want to go and buy. I bought drugs already, and I've taken them.
It's over labor. You are overstressing yourself. Look at Tani, we will be fine, no?
It's okay, Mama. It's okay.
Let me go and warm soup for you. Oh?
Mama, don't worry. Don't worry. I don't want to eat now. I took something. I'm fine. I'll be fine. Don't worry yourself. I'll be fine.
Dudu. Dubem.
But he wanted it, yeah. Watch a pull summer. Hot baby, you want a very sharp girl. No wahala, but get what woman with this type of girl with a color of love. To them no get money, oh. But he wanted it, yeah. Watch a pull summer. Hot baby, she's ready for money. She don't care about your feelings. Feelings she's for money.
Hello? Hello? Yes, I can hear you. Who? It's a lie. Ekena! 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 Ekena, so you're alive? Oh my God. What happened to you now? What happened to you? You just left us. You left I and Mama just like that. What happened to you, Ekena? What? Yes, I can hear you. Yes, I can hear you. No, I'm at the building site. Yes, Mama is fine. You can hear me. Ejigi, you know myself. Mama.
If you look so good,
guess who called me? Ekena called me on phone. Yes.
Ekena called you. What did he say? What? What did he say?
Calm down, Chere. Why you in about speed?
Ekena did not abandon us.
Oh yes, Mama. Let me tell you what happened. Can't call again off, Mama. He called on phone and we spoke man to man. He begged me that said apologize for not calling and all that he had issues for 2 years. So after then he disconnected from people. When he came out, he said no need calling us without sending something. So he had to find a way to make more money. And now he has money, mega money. He has mega money now as we speak. He called me and said, before I could say Jack, he collected my account number. Well, warm a lot.
Now let me see.
Let
me see.
No, don't touch my phone.
Show me now, let me see.
Mama, Nenian. Oh, we go me. Bayala. Mama, if I credit direct. If I did go, mama. Let me tell you something, Mama. I take back all the evil words I've said against him. Ajani. Ajani. All the evil words I've said against my brother, I take it back. Yep,
Aga meburu hallelujah
bolo. If I'm on a meremo.
Aga hallelujah.
If I'm meremo.
Aga meburu hallelujah bolo. Hallelujah. Jesus,
oh, if I'm on a meremo. Aga meburu hallelujah bolo.
Jesus. Hey. My brother, you see this life?
If I didn't
this life, you don't need to lose hope because anything can happen at any time.
Yes, my brother.
I am happy for you and your mother as well. You see that woman, she had suffered.
Oh, yes.
And at this point in time, that woman needs to be happy.
One day, I will make her happy.
I believe you.
I'm going to buy her a car in no distant time.
You don't mean it.
Trust me. Trust me.
You see this car that I want to buy for her? I want you to go and buy it now. Today.
Wanna calm down. No, look at that. No, check. No, check. Let me tell you something. I will buy the car, but not today. Oh, why? Step by step. I'm saving. With this time. I'll buy a car, maybe 2, 3, 4 million for her.
My brother, I am aware. I was only joking. I know that there's no way you just go to the market and buy the car today. What I'm trying to say is that you see that woman, anything you want to do it for her. She deserves to be happy. She has suffered. Yeah. That is my point. And another thing important. You know, since this money coming small, you've not done anything for me.
I know you will come there. Oh yeah, I know you very well. Don't worry yourself. Don't worry yourself. Let me tell you something. I have plans for you.
You don't mean it.
I have plans. Oh my goodness. Let's start with, you've been a good friend to me. You've really tried your best. I could remember there was a time I borrowed money from you. Even I think I still have 1 or 2 that I have not paid back. You have been a good friend. You've tried for me. I used to come here, I would eat free of charge and go. For the friendship. For all you have done for me. For the sacrifices. For being there for me when I needed you. I can remember there was a time I borrowed money from you. Even till date, I still have 1 or 2 that I need to pay you back. But for a start, let's start with this one. Here is 50,000 naira. 50,000 naira. For a start.
Thank you very much. Oh! I'm a Jaffa biscuit. As you can see, some cartons are empty. Thank you, my brother. I'm greeting you like this now. Oh, no big okay. Thank you, my brother. Thank you.
Mamam.
Brother, good day.
How are you? Ekena Umenwa. Mama? What to Her Excellency.
It is not what I'm thinking of.
What are you thinking?
Oh,
well, to cut the whole story short, this is our new car.
Our?
Your son is now a car owner. What God cannot do does not exist.
Brother, are you serious?
Yes, sir.
This is your car.
Mama, let me. Mama, you have seen it now. If I dig Mama. Mama, if I dig Mama. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Congratulations!
Jehovah! Na dendo! Mama!
Chineke!
Mama!
have suffered in this life, and yet I can fulfill. I can never let you down. Because Mama, rejoice, your God is alive.
Our God is good.
All the time. All the time.
You are always in my heart.
Hey! Hey!
Glory be to God. God to do one. If it to be man, it not go happen from bottom to baby some money now.
This guy, I'm off. This guy is not. I am not feeling fine. They admitted me.
What is going on here? What is going on? What is going on? Hey, stop. What is going on? What happened? Hey, stop. Madam, stop now. Stop, stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Madam, stop. Madam, I said stop. Stop. What happened? Tell me. What happened? What happened? Hold on. I'm here now. Respect me now. Respect me.
You have luck because he came.
Hey, it's okay. It's okay, madam. What happened now? What happened?
Tell her to leave my husband for me.
Your husband?
Husband snatcher.
Your husband?
Yes, it's her husband that has something to do with me. It's not me that has something to do with her husband. Let me walk.
It's okay. Hey, stop it. Respect me now. I'm here. Respect me, please. I said please. Okay? She's the woman I want to marry. Oh, yes.
This one?
Yes.
Husband snatcher. Hey!
Why did you do this to me? Oluchi, why did you do this to me?
You just do it just.
Madam, just calm down, I will handle this myself. I'll handle this. Hey, don't worry. Oh yeah, enter that car. Don't worry. I said don't worry. Hold on. Don't stop touching me. Why did you do that? Oh yeah, enter this car. I will finish you today. She's the woman I want to marry. Enter this car. Enter this car. I will kill you today. Enter this car. Enter this car. She's the woman I want to marry. Why would she do such a thing? Don't worry, I will kill her today. Don't worry, I'll finish her today. Stupid girl.
Catch her next time.
I'll finish her.
Can you imagine? Don't worry. Next time. Thank you. Catch her again. Deal with her. Deal with her. You thank your God that they came to carry me with motor. If you are not, I will enjoy you people.
You have luck. It's because they come and carry me with motor. If not, they carry me. That's why I better motor be going. You get luck. If not,
hey, so it's true, eh? Yes. Ah, Ezeonu. Hey, you see, I'm happy for Monica. She deserves every good thing she can get.
Yes, so
hey,
she does.
Oh.
Do you know that Brother Dubem gave me the sum of 20,000 naira?
20,000?
Ezeonu, Papa, 20,000. Hey. And he also promised that as soon as I pass my JAMB, that he's going to sponsor my education.
Wow.
He even said that he's going to call Brother Ekena and tell him.
Is that so?
Yes.
Hey!
So you see, Papa, you don't have to bother about it anymore. All is well. I am happy. So don't worry about it.
Well, that is good. That is good, eh?
Yes.
Yes, you know, you have been so good to the family. And I'm happy he remembers and is trying to reciprocate.
Yes.
That is very good.
Yes,
and so I pray that God will continue to bless and favor them.
Amen. Amen.
That is very good. But that does not mean I should stop with my whatever plans I have for you. No, I cannot. Humans change.
Yes.
And anything can happen. I do not trust humans at all. So I will continue to work hard to achieve the dreams I have in you.
Okay.
You know, so whatever they do, okay, I will thank them, but I will not stop working for my daughter to get to the top.
Thank you, Papa. Thank you, Papa.
Beckham.
Papa.
Amen. It shall be well with you.
You too, Papa. Thank you.
It shall be well with you.
Are you good now?
Yes. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
But why did you come to my rescue after everything I did to you?
Well, it's because I hold nothing against you. Okay? I had to lie to them because I needed them to allow me to go with you. But why did you have a thing with a married man?
I did not know he's a married man. He lied to me.
Oh, really? Wow. Some married men are fools. But you have to be very careful with your life, okay? You have to be very careful so that you will not dent your name in this village. Having an affair with a married man is not nice, okay? Alright, be good. Thank God you're fine and safe now. I'll be going. Take care of yourself. Bye.
Dubem, sorry to ask. What happened? Your transformation and all. Your car. Everything.
Well, Oluchi, life happened. But I hold nothing against you. I'm fine. Okay? See you later. Here is 50,000 naira. I'm sure you will need it. Bye.
Thank you. I'm healed.
Jesus Christ. What kind of woman is he? After all you did to him, he waved them off. And now he's showing you this love and care. Is it for real?
For real, he was even telling me that he's so sorry that I should, you know. You see, sister, you're talking as if you don't know your sister is. I am a fine girl. Eh? Fine girls like us. God sends us good people. I'm telling you. So he knows my words. That is it. He knows he's gaining. Me, I have nothing to lose.
Look at your mouth. See. If he's serious, then you have to focus on him. You see all those your stupid calls and rubbish lifestyle, Then you have to stop it.
Sister, stop. Just stop this. I don't like it too. Stop this kind of talk that you want to talk this evening. It's not good for you. Excuse me.
Okay. Do you like him or?
Sister, so you want to know bad thing? I thought that you are doing holy wager. Sent, so things like this is to sweet you. You have not said where you belong. Choose ye today where you belong. If it's ashy or sent she, I will not tell you. You want to hear from my mouth. You will not hear from my mouth that okra soup used to draw. Lie. You will not hear it in this my mouth. I no go tell you. Oh yeah, come and force it out of my mouth now.
Oluchi.
Yeah, sister, please. It's not me that's blessed my life like this. You understand?
You will give me this one.
No. Give you what?
And this.
Give you what?
Now.
I'm not giving you nothing. So this of the word is sweeting you. After you say no, Luchi, now I got pure. No, just this is the one I will not like. This is the one. This is.
Imagine. London. Hi.
Hello, Dubem. Dubem, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. I love all the gifts. Thank you so much. Yes, they're so beautiful. My sister is she's at home. No, sorry. My sister, she's not at home. Okay, thank you. Bye. Thank you. Sister, do you want to finish this? Something they don't pop for me, Nana.
Oluchi. Oluchi must you always lie? It's too early for this now.
I know what I'm doing. I don't have to make him to start feeling like a family member now. No, you have to place him where he belongs for now.
No, you only wanted to say hello to me.
No, there's no hello. I don't need this.
Get money,
this one is well got to be your friends. This is the one used to treat you, sister. You have not said where you belong.
You want a very sharp girl. No wahala, but
why are you staring at me?
You know you are a good man. You know, I used to imagine after everything I did to you, you still came back to me. I'm sorry, child. Sorry.
Well, it's fine. I understand, okay? What you did is what any other girl can do. So I totally understand, right? I'm not against you.
Child. Hey, you're a good man. See, I don't know. I just noticed that I'm in love with you. I've fallen deeply in love with you. Even sometimes I'll be asking myself, Oluchi, is this you? Is this you? I love you so much. Hi.
And I'm in love with you too. Let me tell you something. I will take care of you. Yes, whatever thing you need, just tell me, I'll foot it. I'll pay your bills. Tell me what you need, I'll foot the bill. Yes, that's what I said.
This is the most romantic word you have told me since. You will foot my bills. My bills are too much.
Don't worry. I will foot it.
Oh, my zaddy. How do you want it? See, we are going to go another round. Is it doggy style you want or which one? Because this time around, you will not survive it all. I will give you better one this time.
Just kill me.
Wait, it's me that's supposed to be on top of you. This one, you are just rushing.
Mama, okay, Yes.
So, are you going already?
Yes, now. I told you that I'm going out. I told you. You didn't ask me again, am I going out? I'm going out. I have an important appointment I want to catch up with.
Well, just that the money you promised to give me, you have not given me.
Mama, okay, that you get about money. Eh? You didn't tell me that last night, and you're telling me now, Mama.
Sorry.
I don't think I have money. Let me check. If I don't have money, man, on Bamba, I can't go. This is the only money I have here, 1,000 naira. So I want to use this for card. I want to buy card and call them. But then 500, whole 500. Eh? Manage it. When I come back by weekend, I'll settle you.
It will not be enough for the medication I want to buy.
Mama, I said manage it. Manage it. When I come back, we will discuss about how to sort all that things.
When are you coming back? You know I'm supposed to go for my checkup at the hospital.
Mama, what I want you? Did they send you? I don't understand though. You didn't tell me all this now. Now that I want to go out, you're telling me all the... Okay, I've heard you. Don't worry yourself. I will sort it out. I will try and come back on time. If I didn't come back on time, I will send Keke that will take you there. On the Keke. Won't you enter Keke?
It's okay, just that I...
Just that's not nothing. Because just anything. Don't just anything till I come back. Because just that. Just that again. Nah, this woman just laying.
Hey, Chidubem. Why are you treating me this way? 500, what can it buy? Is it money that changed my son? It was not like this before. Only 500. But I saw him counting huge amounts of money 2 days ago. What happened to the money? What can 500 naira do for me? Huh? Why is it treating me like this? Is it money that has changed my son or what? Huh? But I saw him counting a huge sum of money 2 days ago. What happened to the money? Huh? Chidubem, what you're doing to me is not good though. It's not good. It's not good. Am I going to...
Enjoy yourself, huh?
Hey.
If you want more, they will bring for you.
Bye-bye,
fair. Fair the month.
This is Okwalekwa.
But baby, you want a very sharp girl. No wahala, but with this type of
I love you, right?
with a color of love. To them who no get money, but you want a neat girl. Watch out,
I love you so much.
She's ready for money.
I love you so much. Yeah, you know, right?
I know.
You know that. You know.
She's for money. Forget about love. Love, forget the color. For her eyes, the color of love. Forget about love.
It's too sweet.
I love you.
Love you too.
Whatever you want, tell me, I'll get for you. If you need anything more, I'll get for you.
I will need more.
After here, we'll go to another place.
Another place is that I will have many things to
yes,
eat.
do you want to eat fish? Barbecue fish.
I want to eat fish.
And the same.
Hey!
And bushmeat.
Oh!
Anunchi. You got tawasi.
You know, Angatawano. You know my specialty.
More, you tell them to bring more plates.
Yeah.
And they should add take away.
Okay.
Like 10 plates.
Okay. Hey, come. You get it. I can foot the bill. I'll give you more money.
I knew it that you will be a great man.
If you look so bad, if you pimp yourself very well, she will fall for you. But if you look bad,
Mama, you're drinking Gary? I thought you said I should come so that I'll help you get things from Salah soup. And here you are drinking Gary.
Your cousin said he doesn't have money.
Again? But that's what Brother Dubem said last week. Yet I hear how he goes about town, spending money on that his girlfriend called Oluchi.
Really? He didn't tell me this one. But it's not that I'm worried because he has a girlfriend. No. After all, he's old enough to even get married. You know, to logo abrosa. But, child, why is Dubem doing this to me? Dubem doesn't care about me anymore. He does not come home often. Whenever he likes, he comes home. When I tell him I want to talk to somebody, let me talk to him. He will just tell me he's tired and weak.
Mama, it's okay. Please now, don't be sad. I'm sure it's something that we can all discuss. We can talk to him. Okay? Please, don't be sad.
Is this how money change people? We were in lack, but we were united. They were all taking care of me. Now that we are facing small money, he has left me. Doesn't care about me again. Is he doing this to me? Why?
Please don't cry. I'm sure we can. Maybe we should talk to Ekene to help us talk to him.
Hey,
don't cry, please.
Like I said earlier, you will never see him stay with me to talk. Mama. He will never come home to cook for me. Even when I cook, he will not eat it.
Please, it's okay. We can talk to him. I'm sure he will change. Okay?
Hey.
Please.
Hey.
Hey.
I'm heartbroken. Hey, Chineke. Hey.
Mama.
Morning, Mom.
Good morning. What's going on? What's the problem?
Just ignore him. He's been acting this way since the last time we had an argument.
he has been acting this way. Even to you.
You are.
No, wait. Is this the best thing to do? Mama, I hope he's not doing this intentionally just to shy away from his responsibilities. I hope that's not what he's trying to do.
Mom, I don't know. I was supposed to have collected money from him for this soup. But you saw the way he left. I couldn't collect anything from him. Huh? Well, it's okay. I did not die then. I will not die now.
But Mama, you need money. Eh? Brother Dubem, this will not end well. It won't. Mama, do you know that my father sent for him since the past 2 days and he's yet to come and answer him? Imagine the arrogance.
Your father told me. He was even here yesterday. And we called Chuku Dubem. He did not pick up his call. I've decided to let him be.
But Mama, like I said, you need money. You need someone to take care of you. I wish I'm done with school and started working. I will just take you so that you come and live with me and forget about him.
It is okay. How is it Chinwe? Chinwe has been giving me money. She saw me at the market 2 days ago and dashed me 2,000. Yes, and yesterday she visited me and dashed me 3,000, over 5,000. I have money. I have money to cook this soup.
Chinwe. I know she's nothing like her sister, but why is she doing? I mean, is she trying to do it to make up for her sister's behavior?
No, I don't think so. She's just naturally good. Dubem cannot be that stupid to start ignoring his mother because of a girl.
Well, may God bless her.
Amen.
Okay, Mama, let's hurry up with this and so that I can help you get it ready.
Okay.
So sorry. I know I've wronged you. I know I've done bad to you. But I must tell you the truth. It wasn't intentional. The truth is that I have a project I'm working on. And that project is really stressing me out. So I transferred the aggression to you people. I'm so sorry for everything, please. Baranum Bikun. I'm still your son. Baranum. Emejogom Bikun. I'm sorry. Please. I brought this for you. Mama, this is for you. Just to say, you should forgive me. This is for you, Mama. And this is for you. I'm so sorry for everything. I brought this for you. I'm sorry. Sorry. Biko Baranum. Biko Baranum. Biko. Aye, Mama. Yeah, it's 100,000 naira. About 20,000.
Chidubem, I was not angry with you. I was not bearing grudges against you. I was just confused. No matter what, you are my son, my blood, and God knows I will never love you less. I was just scared I had lost you. I have forgiven you. Not because of what you brought, but because you are my blood.
Thank you so much, Mother. Thank you. Thank you.
This This life is not pleasant as it seems, 'cause it's not made of roses. There are more sorrows.
All is well.
Than joy.
Yeah, one family again.
In this world.
I'm sorry. Sorry, please.
Okay, baby. Now I baby, please stop. How did it go? You know, you just came in and rushed me. We just started enjoying ourselves. So now, how did it go? Tell me. I didn't believe you. It didn't work.
It worked, baby girl. It worked like magic. They believed me.
Stop, baby. You scared me.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I was just pulling your legs. You know you're the best girl, right? You know that, right? They believed everything. You need to see my acting. You need to see my acting and delivery, lines and movement, everything on point. I will start acting film. Where do they register Hollywood? All those things they do. Yeah, I will go and register and start acting movie.
It's not easy. And babe, you see, it's very important that I'm in your life. Well, I'll always be here to guide your movements. Every step you take, I will give you instructions on how to go about it.
You are super duper. You are the best girl I have seen.
You can say that again, baby. It's
Beautiful.
not easy. It's not easy to have someone like me in your life. I know a lot of men that has been wishing for me to be with them. But you are lucky God gave it to me.
I love you so much, baby girl.
I love you too.
I love you. You are the best thing that have happened to me.
You know what? With this good news, you deserve another round. Don't stop. It's not just you like to watch.
Kill me. Baby, kill me.
From bottom to up, Mama get money. From bottom to up, our family is rich. From bottom to up,
it's not yet back.
No, not yet. But Dubem called her and told her that he has already picked him up from the airport. That they are on their way. Hey! Mazi, can I?
Yeah, there. Hey.
Mama, we have suffered in this life. I can never let you down. As it never, because you are looking. If I become Mama, we try. Your God is all your players.
Don't cry.
So you mean I can live to say today?
Yes, sir.
Mama.
Thank you.
Hold me well, man. Hold me well. My investment. Let me get there.
Sincerely, Mom, America is not what we assumed it to be. Everything is money. And There are lots of rules and regulations. A single mistake can land you in jail. I was being extremely careful because I knew where I was coming from. And God stayed faithful till the end. Mama, I want to tell you that your son here has made it in life. And poverty would never come anywhere close to us again.
I go, Timia. Ikalaka. Mama, did you hear that?
I never lost hope. I was always praying for you. I did not cease praying.
God is faithful. Our God is faithful. You had hopes and He answered your prayer. He answered our prayers. Hey! Now. Hey! Mama, nice investment. Ekwubego ya. Ekwugo kwa mma biko. N'ọnụ kwuru njọ ekwuego mma. A na-ekwu mma nwanne. Ọ bụ ife na-eme ga akwụghị n'azụ. Anybody owuna na this town. Don't worry now. You are my investment.
My son, thank you very much for your kind gesture towards my family. I'm really delighted about the whole thing.
Uncle, it's nothing now. Your family is like a family to me. And your daughter, Ifunanya, is more like a sister. She practically grew up with us. And my mother told me how helpful she was while I was away. So paying her school fees now that she has gotten admission to study medicine in the university is nothing.
You're right, my son. But some people will never see nor understand it this way. You see?
Uncle, it is nothing. Please, when she's back, tell her to come and see me. There's something I want us to talk about.
I'll do that. I'll tell her.
Okay.
I'll tell her. Hey, Nam.
I have to quickly see one land and see if I can possibly start building on it.
Oh!
Yeah.
That's a very good one. Because now go. In fact, make sure you get it from them. Now you see, in fact, I know that one day you buy a very large expanse of land and build an industry here for us.
Thank you so much. Uncle, please, Biko, take this. And please don't thank me. It's okay.
Yes, my sister. I don't know. He just told me that he will give me money. I said, as far as he's going to give me money, I have no Mother, what is it now? You don't press before. You want to kill yourself? Is you that want to kill yourself? So because they are started tying this village road, you are not running speed. When they have not tied this road, I did not see you running speed though. With your kabu with your answering call like this. What do you mean answering call? Is it your call? Is it your call? So you want to use me for ritual? Tell them that you did not see me. Wicked man.
Calm down. I'm sorry. I wasn't even speeding. And I'm not a ritualist. I'm sorry, okay?
You are sorry for yourself. Sorry for yourself. Look at fine girl like me that you want to break my fine leg. But God will not allow that your prayer to
I
work.
said I am sorry.
Rubbish.
You know what?
As beautiful as I am.
Just take this. I'm sorry. This for the trouble. I'm sorry, okay? I didn't mean to startle you. I'm sorry.
I should take this for the trouble.
Yes, I'm really sorry.
Oh yeah, that cost me another trouble.
I'm sorry, wait.
Oga cost me another one though. Drive past another one, Oga. Drive past more. Fine. If this one is for the trouble you cost me, who am I? Not to be trouble.
Please, can I drop you?
Oga cost me trouble. You see, can you drop me?
Yeah, let me drop you off.
Okay. This one is Benz. Benz. Is your car?
Yes.
Oga, this car is Benz.
Yeah.
And is your car?
Yeah.
The thing you are wearing, Chevy, is good.
Yes, come in. Let me drop you.
From bottom
Oh, I am yours.
From
You would have cost me another trouble.
our family is free. From bottom to
I have been meaning to ask. You have been moody and disturbed lately. What is it?
Ekena, I'm fine. Don't worry yourself, eh? It's something I can handle. Don't worry yourself.
Oh, is it your car? You can always use mine. My car is there. It's our car. You know you wanted to sell it. If it's taking time, but I don't mind buying you one immediately.
Hey, chere Ekene, chere. I'm Ekena your system. Chere. It's not about my car. It's not about my car. You are building 2 houses already. One for yourself and one for me. So I wouldn't want you to go into impulsive spending. You know, you are my investment. Because you can see how good I'm looking. All thanks to you. Because hapuka. Can wake up and you got to go? Please, okay. Don't worry, I will settle it. Don't worry, I'm fine. Right. I'm fine.
So I wanted to tell you something. I met a girl, and she's very beautiful. Though we just started, but you know me, I already feel like she's the one.
Oh, really? Oh, that's interesting. I would love to see this girl. Eh? Yeah. That's interesting. I said it. I knew it. All this your waka waka is about a woman. Congratulations, brother.
Thank you, brother.
What are we celebrating?
Mama. Your son has found a good woman. And in no distant time, I got good girl. I got kwaka. So that he'll go and marry her.
That one is good though. But it has to be after your own.
I don't have a problem with that. I don't have a problem at all. If he wants to go first, I do not have a problem.
No. Whatever I'm going to do must be after you're married.
Bam! We won!
Okay. No problem. You guys have given me assignments. No problem. I'm not going to use that. I should get married. No problem. I will get married. I will marry. Mama?
Bye.
Oh, right.
Hey, Mama.
That one I did.
The thing is that Dubem, if I were you, I should be planning on how to go and do Thanksgiving. You should be happy that that girl left on her own. Because ever since you started having something with that girl, you've not been your real self. But I thank God, we don't have you back.
You know how much I spent? You know all that I did for her? All that I went through just to be with her? Hey, no. Why would she do such a thing? Eh? How would this happen to me?
Dubem, I know everything you did for that girl. Including the money you spent. Everything, they are clear before me. But let me ask you something. Didn't I warn you the initial time? Didn't I warn you when you were busy following this girl? What did you say? You told me that I am jealous. That I don't know the level of love you have for this girl. Now, who is jealous? You've lost everything. She has moved on.
I was ready to spend more. I was ready to spend it all on her. I was ready to make her a proud woman. I was ready to help her out in life. I was ready to do all for her.
I know.
Women.
I know. But what is going on now? She moved. Is it not clear? Is it not clear to you that she has moved on with someone who is better than you? Someone who obviously has bigger and better money than you have. It is clear that is women for you. She has gone. So you better calm down and face life the way it is.
It's not possible. Yes, it's not possible. She will not leave me just like that. Eh? She will be with me and no one else. I will make sure I fight her out. It's not possible.
Okay, what are you going to do? Fight her? Or force her into loving you? Or you want to organize a forced marriage between you and somebody that doesn't look your way any longer? Now tell me, what are you going to do? People are watching, oh. It's not only you and her in this life. She has gone. So the best thing is for you to calm down.
Oluchi, what you're trying to do is not good though. It's horrible. The man doesn't deserve this at all. Eh? Can't you see he genuinely loves you?
Hey. You're not the one checking love for me. See, sister, let me tell you, love is not enough. Love can never be enough. What about a secured and better life?
All that glitters is not good though.
That is your own. My sister, all that glitters is good though. Even if it's shiny bling bling, so far it is shiny, it's better for me. See, let me tell you, I know what I'm doing. I know what I am doing. I am trying to secure my life. I cannot. Hey, homie Oluchi, slay queen. Hey, I cannot put my egg in one basket. It's not possible. It's not possible. I must spread my net to catch more fishes.
Believe me, you don't know what you're doing. You don't.
And who says I don't know what I'm doing? You. Look at who is advising me. Charge of death, Taylor. You look at me and you want to come and advise me. You're supposed to be advising yourself. Because all those clothes you used to sew for your customers are confused set of people. Because I'm surprised that I had days to look you and give you clothes to sew. It's only all those you're doing that you know. All those you'll be starting your machine. I been shifty. Look at you. Charge of death, Taylor like this. Tell me to come and advise me. You don't need a better life. I need a better life.
Try.
You're advising me. You have not advised your clothes. The clothes that you used to sew anyhow. You will sew before. Lava. You are here advising me. You can tell them.
I don't get it. What is wrong with this girl? They are Oluchi.
My brother, you need to let this go. It's just a girl. It's not the end of life.
Then I will not understand. You will not. We've been through a lot together. I've sacrificed a lot for her. Eh? How could she wake up one day and decide that she do not want me anymore, that she needs a break? A break from what? Eh? You know how I used to love. I really love this girl so much.
But I know. And I understand. But come on, look at you. You are every woman's dream. If she doesn't see that, then it's her loss and not yours.
I do not deserve this. I do not deserve this at all. Why would she do this to me? Why? Why would she do this to me?
But it's okay. Believe me when I say she's going to regret this, because she's going to regret it. It's okay.
Let it not be what I'm thinking. Let it not be what I'm feeling. Because if it is, she will live to regret it all her life. And I'm serious about it. Excuse me.
Get money, oh, but he wanted it, yeah. Watch out,
Hey,
my brother.
What's happening? How did you wake there?
With someone. Yeah, my girl. She went to ease herself.
Oh, really?
That
you
okay? Good,
the one
so
you told
can
me.
Meet her.
The one you told me.
Yeah, the one
that. Let me meet her.
I'm Somali.
Okay, but you check on her.
She went to ease herself.
Give me anything. Who is here?
Who is here?
Bring me anything. One bottle. I was headed to Ekena's shop, so I decided to go. After I saw your car, I said, let me come and see you.
That's good.
Yeah.
That's good. Yes. This is my beautiful damsel that I've been telling you about. This is my other brother.
Oluchi.
Yeah, that's her name. You know her?
My brother, I don't understand what is going on. She's the girl I told you about. She's my girlfriend.
Don't listen to him. He's my ex.
What?
I knew him before.
Oluchi, what are you doing with my brother?
Dubem, what kind of question is that one?
Wait, I don't understand. Are we seeing the same girl?
Oh, no, you're not. He's in my past. You are my present. So don't listen to me.
Oluchi. So my brother is the reason you told me that you needed a break?
Stop now.
Are you sure she's the one?
I don't. He's my.
This is my girlfriend.
Hey.
The one I've been telling you about.
Brother, I know this girl. She's my girlfriend. You cannot have anything to do with her, please. Please, please. You will not. Because while people tell her in Sobu, you will not have anything to do with her.
I'm not sure she's the one.
It's not me. It's not
You're not sure what?
It's not me.
Oluchi.
It's not me. I don't pot. I've potted.
Oluchi.
It's not me.
Hey. Ekena. 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 What are you saying? I don't understand. About me, I should leave Oluchi, my wife to be, for this riffraff? What are you talking about? It's not possible. You know how much I suffered for her. You know how much I suffered to be with her. It's not possible.
She does not want you again now. I am the one she wants. I love that girl and I am going to marry her.
Oh, really? Because you have made stupid money. Eh? Because you have made stupid money, you now have the effrontery to talk back at me. Mama, let me tell you, I will take that girl back. So this is the reason you were telling me to forget about my girl. Eh? This is your plan.
Can you calm down and settle this whole thing amicably?
Mama, the only way we can settle this is for you to tell this boy to stay away from my woman. Else blood will flow. Mama, blood is going to flow.
No, Luben.
More like a boy.
No.
More like a boy. Ekena, more like a boy.
Papa.
Okay, because you have money now. Stay away from here. Stay away. Yeah, okay. Don't
hush her. Why won't she talk? Let her talk. Mama, tell Dwayne to stay away from my woman. No. Else I will forget that he's my brother and I'll deal with him.
Okay.
Let me see.
Mama, deal with me. Let me see. Mama, you told me to sell our only land. I sold our only land and sent this idiot abroad. Mama, what are you going to be?
Brother, don't allow me to come in between this family.
I don't need you here. I don't need you. Don't tell me nonsense. Don't tell me nonsense. You know, he cannot. Ella, where Papa will do. Being a child of woman, that's not say.
I don't care about
you at this house. You can walk. Mama, you're not going to where you walk at this house.
What kind of brother is this? Eh? Is the girl the only girl in this village? I don't understand. What is going on? The person is even stupid.
Although you don't do this. Why will you say such a thing? Huh? He's my younger brother. He's my kid brother. After all, I met you before him. Don't do this, please. I met you first. And I'm in love with you. I really love you. Right? You know what I went through. You know everything. Why will you be saying that?
Babe, I'm sorry. You need to understand. It's complicated.
I do not want anything from anyone. Eh? I don't want anything from anyone. Let me tell you something. I have a structure that will work for us. I have a financial structure that I know that will take care of us and our unborn children. Please, don't say that. Okay? I do not need anything from anyone. My love for you is not for sale. I don't want anyone to pay me. I don't want anyone to pay me. Who will pay me? My kid brother? I do not need anything from him. Stop saying that now. Eh?
To be understand me. This is complicated. Like, I'm confused. I don't even know what to do.
Oluchi, don't do this, please. I cannot believe, after all we went through together, that you'll be saying this. I abandoned my people. I abandoned my mother because of you. They never wanted you. They wanted us to stop whatever communication that I have with you. They wanted me to stop. But I said no, because my heart yearns for you, because I really love you, because I want you. Stop doing this, please. Okay? I really love you. Don't do this to me. Huh? Don't do this to me, please. I cannot go this far and you will disappoint me now. It's not nice, please. You are the one I want.
Understand what, Oluchi? Yeah, I know he loves you, but love is not enough here. But what about the good life? What about traveling? Vacations to any place in the world? All this and more I am going to give to you. You can literally have the world at your footstool. Are you going to throw all that away? Because he's fighting?
Ekena, it's just that I don't want to be inconsiderate. He has done a lot for me.
With my money? See, I can pay him back if that's what you want. I can pay him back everything. Can't you see he's on the fast lane, on our speed? How much does he even have? Everything he claims he has is my money.
So what do we do?
I can pay him off. I can make you pay him off. Everything. He wants money, yeah, and I'm going to give him money. You're not going to do that, would you?
No, but...
To them who not get money, but he wanted it, yeah. Watch out, pull a chapel below some hot baby. You want a very sharp girl, no wahala, but get one moment.
Do you want pepper soup?
They have pepper soup.
Yeah, they have.
Yes! Bring pepper soup! Bring for me.
They also have fish pepper soup.
Barbecue fish.
Yeah, anything you want.
Bag! And barbecue fish too! Take away! Take away barbecue fish.
Oh, you want both the fish?
Yes, I want everything.
It's fine. It's fine. It's okay.
Hey, you give me this shit.
It's okay.
What are you doing with my girlfriend? Listen, let me tell you something. I own this village. Whatever you like, you can hide with her. I must fish you out. What are you doing with this fool?
Dubem, stop now. Stop.
I said, what are you doing with this fool?
Dubem, stop now. I'm not your girlfriend. What kind of thing is this? Stop.
You're not my girlfriend?
Yes, sir.
Naginime, are you okay? Now get up and leave. I said, get up and leave now.
Leave to where?
Stand there. Stand up, please.
I'm with someone and you're asking her to get up. It's like you started smoking expired weed. What's the meaning of this now?
What's the meaning of what? You're with my girlfriend and you're telling me what's the meaning of what? Are you stupid?
Because you never pour before I change it for you.
You will change that for me? You really small boy, you want to change that for me? When they change that for me, I said you stop.
Oh, please stop! And I get what about the pepper soup now? What about the fish now? Take away barbecue! Dubem, the money power! You have caused problem for me now! And Bagger! He has not paid, Daddy!
Somebody just called to tell me that brother Dubem and Ekena are fighting.
Fighting? Which one is fighting? Are they children? They won't care about fighting. Are they picking it?
Okay. Okay, Ekena Chokambo and Ola. Okay, I will show them.
Wait! Come on! Come on! Mama, warn your son. Mama, kill a woman. Even now you have the money. Yeah, now. Mama, warn your son, oh. Warn him.
I'm not supposed to kneel down for you children, but I've knelt down. Bikono!
What is going on here?
Mazio, Momo! Umakachi Bubo! Umakachi Bubo!
Get down!
Where?
But Ekena just left, Brad. Where is inside?
Hey!
Chai.
Hey! Never! Yeah!
Hey! Dubem! Oh! Nnafa Kechekwa! Oh! Hey! I don't know. Hey!
For what?
I don't know.
Over what? Money? What?
I don't know.
Let me go inside there, please. Please let me enter there now and settle this. I don't even.
What is wrong with you? So your madness has gotten to this point. Coming to disturb someone who already told you that she doesn't want you?
Hey.
Get out of this place.
Hey, man, what you also? Let me tell you something. I'm not in the mood for this nonsense. Get out of here. Else I will kill you alive, and I'm serious about it. Did you hear what I said?
Hi, see, Dubem, I know your problem. Your problem is just poverty. Your problem is that you're frustrated, but I'm going to solve all your problems like I have been solving them. Get out of this place.
Okay. You've been solving my problem. Is that what you said? Let me tell you something. That stupid money that you have came from me. I sold my only inheritance and sent you abroad, and you made that foolish money that you have that gave you the effrontery to challenge me. Let me tell you something. Can't get so weird here now. See, What is it?
Arrest me. You're under arrest. Leave this long talk. Arrest me.
Arrest.
Arrest in my way.
Arrest.
Move it.
Ekena, arrest. Ekena.
You call the police to come and arrest your brother.
Ekena.
Mama, you have to eat something. Eat, please. Mama, just try. Do you want me to feed you?
No.
Do you want me to feed you? Mama, you have to eat something. Just try. Because... Hey, Mama. What? Hey!
You think you can play me, right? After all I've done for you. After everything that I did for you, I spent a lot. You took a lot from me. And you think you can play me, right? You think I can play me up here? You have come to the end of the game.
Please
Shut
don't
up.
give me, please, I'm begging you.
Shut up.
Give me
Shut
one
up.
more chance.
No, shut up. Shh, shh. Give you chance in here. I will give you chance.
Mama, you know I'm a busy man. Whatever it is, please, let's be snappy.
In the best interest of the family and for peace to reign, your brother has decided to let go of the girl. So you are free to marry her whenever you want.
Oh yes. You are free to marry her. Makana Udokamma. Udokamma. Peace is better. Okay? I put several things into consideration, and I must say that you've really been helpful to me. You've tried for me. Without you, without you making money abroad, I wouldn't have been here making mouth, or even the money I gave to the girl and all that all came from you. So, Biko, go ahead. Officially, I'm stepping down. Chawazia, enjoy. Buruwe, go live with the girl. Just give us day to go for the traditional rites and everything. I'm fully supporting you. And I'm sincerely behind you. Okay, bro? Congratulations.
Thank you.
Congratulations. Enjoy.
I don't really know what to say again, but I'm grateful. Thank you so much. And
you're welcome.
Brother Dube, I am sorry for everything that happened.
We are men. I've forgiven you. I don't know reason here. For me to tell you this, you know that it's from my heart. Okay? Don't worry yourself. Enjoy yourself, bro.
Thank you, my brother.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Enjoy. Mama, you are good to go now. Instead of you to tell me that you love him more.
No. Hey, both of you are my world.
Are you sure?
Hey, really? Yes. Finally, we're getting married. Peacefully and with everyone's support.
Oh, I am so
Mama, put our dinner now. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. How old are you now? How old are you now? How old are you now? How old are you now?
I'm 60 today. I am 60. I am 60. I am 60 today.
Many more years to you. Many more years, many more years, many more years to you.
Welcome everybody. Welcome. Sit down. Happy birthday, John. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Please sit. Sit down, please. We thank you all for coming, and we're really happy having you all.
Yes, sir.
Ladies and gentlemen, today is a very special day for our sweet mother. And it is also a special day in all of our lives.
Yes, sir.
Mom, bro, please, permit me to do this thing that is very important in my life.
You're free. I won't get another one. You and I am.
Hey.
I know that you're not expecting this, but you are a very good person. You are so amazing, and I want to spend the rest of my life with you. Please marry me.
Ekena, what is wrong with you? Why are you embarrassing me? My sister. Why?
Come on, give me that ring. What were you expecting? Eh? That I'll ever have anything to do with you? Or my brother? After everything Dubem did for you, what did you do? You abandoned him because you felt you've seen a bigger fish. You're nothing but a lying, unrepentant, greedy fool.
Because all fish,
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
If you must know, you have been under again. And you know what? You failed woefully. Hey. Before I got back to the country, I had already found out about you and my brother. How you made my elder brother abandon my mother to take care of you, simply because he had always wanted you, loved you, and wished to spend the rest of his life with you.
Hey, Mama, we have to call him immediately and let him know what's going on.
But we have to wait for him to leave the house so that we can talk comfortably.
Okay. Mama, thank God I was smart enough to see him use his phone. That was how I saw his passport and was able to open it.
Ooh. You see why I like to work with you? Let's just wait. Let's wait for him to go. I like work.
But to you, it was all a game to swindle him and go for a bigger fish.
Mama,
thank you. Oh, God bless you.
Mama, have this thing.
Hey, can I be? Oh, Mamo. Oh, thank you very much. God will replenish. What can I do?
It's small now. What are you
doing?
Fine, Mama.
May God replenish your pocket for you.
Amen.
As you have remembered an old woman like me, God will never forget you.
Amen.
Thank you. Oh, thank you.
I have to go.
Mba. Go and buy her mineral.
Okay, Mama. No, Mama, it's okay. I'm in a hurry.
You don't want?
I don't want.
Hey!
Take something.
No. Thank you. May God bless you for me. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.
I was told while the whole thing was going on between you and Dubem, your sister Chinwe never relented on assisting my mother. And research made us understand that in as much as she was being nice to my mother, she was also doing it for you. She was trying to save your family name from being on the lips of people and also buy Mama's favor for you. So she doesn't hate you for taking away her son's love and attention.
Hey, Chinwe. How are you?
I'm fine, are you?
I'm okay. How's work?
Fine, thank God. How is Mama?
Mama is fine,
Yeah, I hope you're taking good care of her.
My dear, by God's grace, I'm doing my best. She's fine.
Okay. Jenny, I think I have some. Just give it to Mama. Oh? Tell her that I'll come and see her. Oh,
hey,
it's not meaningful.
Thank you very much. Thank you. God bless you.
Bless you too.
All right, I'll give it to her.
Okay, and tell her that I'll come and see her.
Please do. She will appreciate that.
Okay,
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Chuku Goziege.
Okay,
bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Are you shocked that I know all you've been doing with money and with that girl? A few days before my return, you went and apologized to Mama and Ifunaya and gave them gifts so it doesn't look like you abandoned them for long. I know all these things, but why? Why?
Bro, I'm so sorry about it, okay? It's not that I abandoned my mother, it's just that I was just trying. You will not understand. I'm sorry about it. I'm sorry. Biko, I'm sorry.
Well?
Let you not stop what you promised me, Biko.
That's all in the past.
Okay.
Now that I am back, I am very sure that this family will never suffer again.
Oh. Nice.
And I also understand that when a man is in love, he tends to do a lot of crazy things.
Yeah.
But one day, you should not have abandoned Mama, considering all she has been through.
Like I said, I'm so sorry. I did not abandon them. I didn't know what they told you, but the truth is that I made Oluchi my priority. You know me when I am in love. I love the girl, and I am sorry I made her my priority, and it seemed as if I abandoned Mama them. No, I did not. I'm sorry about it, because I go. My investment. I'm sorry, please. I want to marry her. I want to spend the rest of my life with her.
Okay. That brings us to why I called for this meeting.
Okay.
This Oluchi girl, I want us to test her. Let us see if she's faithful and loves you as much as you love her. Because I remember you told me how things were before the story changed and the both of you started dating.
Yes.
What if tomorrow you fall out and things are not the way it used to be? Will she still be there for you?
I hope so. Because, I hope so. I've been caring to her and I spend a lot. So I know she will not do anyhow.
Brother Dubim, it's not as if I'm not going to give you the 50 million naira that I promised you. I will give you. But this is a criteria for you to receive that money. Let us try this girl. Let's see if she's faithful and if she loves you as much as you love her. Trust me, this is for your own good, oh. It is for your own good. Let us do this, my brother. And please, let this be between us. Let's do it so well that nobody would even suspect. Not Mama, not Ifunanya, not Ekene, not even Oluchi. Please. It is for your own good. Listen, you don't even deserve any of us. You don't even deserve anything good in life. Because you're nothing but a mean and wicked, greedy idiot. You still have time to turn a new leaf. Or you can choose to remain a gold digger for the rest of your life.
I'm sorry. It's the work of the Lucifer. Like, it's not me. I was possessed. I'm sorry.
Jude came into the country with me. Even when I had gone far with you, I still tested your loyalty. I planted Jude in the picture as a richer guy. You still cheated and fell for Jude to the point of agreeing to marry him. How cheap and irresponsible can you be, Oluchi? What do you really want?
Well, I can see you're getting engaged to someone else. After I engaged you. I'm present.
Hallelujah. Timoto. Hello. I'm sorry. I don't know that you are inside. I just see fine motor. I wanted to admire you. Okay, good afternoon. Sorry, I didn't know somebody was inside.
No, it's not a problem, okay? What's your name?
My name is my name. I've forgotten my name, you know. If I say good things, I used to forget something. So my name is Oluchi, but you can call me Lulu.
Wow, that's a lovely name. Oh, my name is Jude. Nice to meet you, Oluchi.
Same here. Is this real gold?
Yes, of course, real gold.
That means it's millions you are wearing like this. Millions.
You're quite a funny girl, you know.
Are you single or married? Do you come with somebody? It's like you're not with your girlfriend or your wife. Yeah?
No, I am single at the moment and I'm ready to mingle.
Okay.
So actually, where were you heading to?
I was nowhere. I'm heading to nowhere. Okay, yes, no. I was strolling I was taking a stroll, exercise. I was just exercising.
I hope you don't mind if I should join you.
You want to follow me to exercise?
Yes, of course, I don't mind.
Well, let's use your motor now. Let's exercise inside your motor.
No, the car can be here, okay? We can go on exercise and come back, and then we can go with the car to an restaurant.
Like, people that have good things are tired. Those that don't have wish to have.
No. You know, it's been a long time I came to the village, and I just want to explore.
No problem. Let's explore together. Lock your window.
All right, okay.
You say it's your car. You say it's your car.
Yeah, one of my cars actually. You must really like the car.
Yes, I love good things.
Alright. So, do you have a boyfriend?
Boyfriend? God forbid. I don't have a boyfriend though. Huh. Me that is a virgin. I decided to keep my virginity till I see a good man.
Wait, you mean you're a virgin?
Me. Yes, so I'm a virgin. Virginity that I've been keeping since.
Wow.
I'm telling you, I've tried.
So how about your parents? You live with your parents?
You say what?
How about your parents? You live with your parents?
Okay, my parents. My parents has gone to see the Lord.
Oh.
Yes.
I don't understand what you mean by that.
They have gone to see the Lord. They have died.
Oh, I'm so sorry about that. I'm so sorry.
You say this thing is good, Abby?
Yes,
really good.
It's good, yeah. Do you have a problem with that?
No, I'm just saying so that in case if it's really good, we give thanks.
No.
I
can't. It's nothing. Okay, I can't even buy you one.
You can buy me really good.
It's not that I can buy you one.
You buy me really good.
Of course.
You say you don't have a girlfriend.
I don't have a girlfriend. I'm single and I'm ready to mingle.
There's no problem. Let's do.
You're so beautiful. Like, you know, I've been in this village for way too long. Like, I've not seen a pretty girl like this.
It's God that blind your eyes. Huh? I'm the only pretty girl in this village.
Serious?
Truth. People have been disturbing me. I said no. I can never lose my virginity for anybody. And my spirit is telling me that you are my husband. But I don't want to say it out. It's just because...
Right, yes. God is wonderful, you know. God works in mysterious ways. Like, I believe God, you know, God kept me safe for way too long.
Is it that have that motor, Abi? That car is your car.
That is one of my cars, actually.
Is your car?
One of my cars.
Okay, one off.
My cars.
Hey! Oh, God.
Well, so,
hey.
I didn't know, I was thinking after the stroll exercise, we can go find a restaurant around.
Hey, we will go. Let's go. Any restaurant is okay. Any restaurant is okay.
I just came in from the States, you know.
You came in from United States?
Yeah. So it's been a long time I had our native food, so I want to have something like
my spirit, I know that I will marry a husband that comes from United States. I know.
You're so beautiful.
Hey!
I just want to thank you for everything, the times you made me smile. Like, knowing you has brought me a lot of happiness.
Hey!
I didn't know what I would have done without you. Like,
aww.
It's a blessing knowing you.
Hi. This word is touching me in my heart. Thank you, yeah? I love you so much.
I love you too. I love you much more, okay? That reminds me, I'll be traveling tomorrow. It's really urgent for business, okay? And there's a lot of money involved in this. I'm so sorry, okay? But it's an emergency and I have to leave. But I promise you I'll be back in no time, okay? And there'll be a lot of goodies for you. Of course.
You like goodies for me?
A lot of goodies for you, my beautiful woman.
Okay.
So I just want you to be a good girl, okay?
I'm always a good girl.
Where is it? Oh, you can have the $700. The $700, you can keep it. Alright? That's for you. And there's more from where this is coming from, okay? Just be a good girl. All for you.
$700 for me.
That's yours.
In the village. I did not. I thought my ancestors they are no longer answering prayer.
Actually, this is look. There is more for when this is coming from. Okay, so
$700. You would have just added the remaining 3. I thought they were to make it 1,000, but this one is okay.
There is more coming.
It's okay.
There is more coming.
Jesus, $1 for me. Thank you. God bless. You can travel now. You can travel.
One more thing is really important.
Which one? More $1?
I don't know how this will sound, but maybe it's quite soon. I don't know. But I think you have to pour my heart out to you.
What is it?
Oh, Luchi, I want you to be my wife.
Hey! Is that why you are talking it small? Put it, Jeremy, that I've married you since. Put it, which of the finger? Okay, it's this one. Fix the ring.
Just like that.
Just like that, my brother, I've married you since. Spiritually, self, people. This one now is happening physically. Hey!
This calls for a celebration.
Because...
Just like that.
Oh! My village people! They get me, give me dollar. Who am I?
Oh, thank you.
Hey, my
so
husband. I love you so much. I love you.
So, bro, how did he go? It went well as planned. But man, that girl's too shit. Man, I can believe this.
I knew it. I knew it. I told my brother. What about the engagement?
It went well, bro, but can you believe, even before I could engage her, she told me she's already married to me. Man, I was so, man, she was fucked up, bro.
This girl is messed up.
Messed
Thank
up,
you,
bro.
my brother. Thank you.
Man,
Thank you so
your
much.
brother is really lucky, but if he had married that girl, that would have been his biggest mistake.
I told him this girl is not meant for him.
Damn.
Are you kidding me?
She's a fucking gold digger. If you see the way she was looking at me, touching my goals, looking at my car, like, you know, I give her $700. She was so fucking happy, bro.
I knew it.
Screaming like a mad woman in the compound.
I knew it. I knew she wasn't the one. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Man, it's not it, bro, okay?
Hey! Jude has been part of the plan. Oluchi, you are a disgrace to womanhood. Big one. A very big disgrace.
You've seen your life, right? Huh? Huh? You thought you would scam all of us and go scot-free? No? No? Oluchi, after all I did for you, I spent almost all the money that my brother gave to me. I spent it on you, right?
Sorry.
I abandoned my family because of you.
I'm sorry.
I got humiliated from people, men around this village because of you.
I'm sorry.
Yet I didn't know that I was dining with a gold digger like you. You've seen your life.
Sorry.
You've seen your life, Apuya. Yes. It was all a game. My brother. Thank God for my brother. Brother, thank you so much.
Sorry.
He told me that there is a game plan that I will see. And I didn't know you would disappoint me like this. I cursed the day I met you. I cursed the day I met you, Oluchi. I shouldn't say that.
I'm sorry.
You idiot. You said I shouldn't say that, eh?
Sorry,
What? I should not say that, eh?
Hey, Chidubem.
What you need to do now? Say out of here. Out of here. I said, get out of here. Get out of here. How much go we? How much go we? I'm going to wig. You will not understand. Why you know now? I Mama, I spent a lot on this girl, eh? Brother, thank you so much. Eh? You're truly a Lord. Thank you. Thank you so much. Hey, and Oga, hey! Ezeonu, big girl. I don't want to kill him. I don't want to kill him. Okay, fine. Mama, I'm picking you. Hey, Mama, we like one day. Thank you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
From bottom to up, Mama eats money. From bottom to up, our family is rich. From bottom to up, now God you do it. From bottom to up, if it to be man. From bottom to up, it not go happen at all. From bottom to up, baby some money. From bottom to up, Mama libego. From bottom to up,